A lot of merch sellers are panicking right now because Amazon just uploaded thousands of AI shirts. But once you actually look at them, the story changes. So in case you missed it, here's what's going on. So this was an original post in the Merch Momentum Facebook group. It was just a few days ago as I'm filming this video. So it's on 9th of February. And he's asking, is Amazon posting AI slop under their brand Matemark? Then he also posted some examples right here. But we'll take a closer look in just a minute. So let's see the post. Has anyone else noticed a huge influx of AI slop? So not just any AI designs, but AI slop being posted under the brand Matemark, which appears to be an Amazon brand. And yes, Matemark is actually a brand from Amazon. I will show you the proof later in this video, so stay tuned. But let's first take a look at the t-shirts itself. So here we are in the results from the link that he provided. And yeah, you can basically see it on the top right here, right next to the search bar, that you only get Matemark t-shirts, or like the Matemark products. And right now, as I'm filming this video, there are over 77,000 products for this brand online. So let's take a closer look. Now let's see if I can make this a bit bigger for you. Okay. Alright, first the pricing. We got $13.99 for these t-shirts, which is of course a very competitive price. So the minimum price, at least for any regular Amazon merch seller, is $13.38. So we are just a bit above that. Okay, let's take a look at the designs itself. Now, as you can see, these were uploaded today on the 12th of February 2026. Now, what we can see right away is the fact that we have the same design over all these different kinds of colors on the standard t-shirt. And yeah, that's not how a regular Amazon merch seller would upload his designs. Okay, then we got black text on the design. And it says Christian only today. Okay, Christian only today. The title says Christian vibes only today. Okay, we got the vibes right here. It's very small. And we got vibes on the left and on the right. Now let's pick this red t-shirt right here. Alright, here we go. Yeah, not a big fan of this design. This AI design was probably generated on a white background. And you can see that there's a lot of the background left on this design. Like here on the vibes and all around the text. Then we got the black text, which doesn't look good on black t-shirts or even on dark t-shirts. And we got the arrangement of the words, which is really off. Okay, I just noticed there's actually a typo in Christian. There's this I missing. So yeah, what should I say? Let's check out the next designs. Alright, let's scroll down. Yeah, we got the same designs again. Christian only today. Yeah, here we go. We got the next design. Team rugby always winning. Not really convinced of this phrase. Let's see the next designs. Yeah, here we go. Now this design here on the left doesn't look that bad, to be fair. The phrase says daily delivery system operational. Okay, I don't really know what that means. Next one says zipper scar survival marks. Okay, don't understand that either. Let's take a look at the third design. Well, let's click on that. Alright, we got Rough Rider Sweet Smile Western Rodeo design. Does she have a beard? Can you see that? Now let's make this a bit bigger for you. Alright, here we go, yeah. Well, what do you think? Now, this time there was too much of the background removed. Well, these parts of her face were removed, just like these parts, which are around the phrase. So you can't really read the phrase. Alright, so let's see the design on the other colors. Yeah, here we go. Asphalt gray. Still looks horrible. But at least you can read the phrase now. Even though I don't really know who the target audience is for this t-shirt. Now let's check out the next designs. Alright, the next one say Gulf makes me happy. Okay, Gulf makes me happy. Alright, it says Gulf of Mexico in this listing. But again, you got too much of the graphic removed, as you can see on these waves. On the fisher boat itself and on the birds. And of course this dark font color doesn't really work on this type of shirt. So again, I'm not really convinced. And I can't even choose a different color because all the designs were uploaded separately on each color. So what do we got next? Yeah, of course, Gulf makes me happy. Okay, we got even the same design on the same shirt. I mean on the same shirt color, but on a different sizing. So this one is a small one and this one is a large one. Haven't seen that before. Let's see some more examples. Yeah, Gulf makes me happy. Okay, the design looks decent on these yellow t-shirts, but you can't really read the phrase on these dark colored t-shirts. So let's see some more examples. Yeah, Gulf makes me happy. Again, and again, and again. Yeah, it makes me really happy. Again, okay, here we go. Okay, we got some St. Patrick's Day designs, an Easter design and a cowboy design. Let's take a look at the other ones. Okay, we got black fonts on a dark t-shirt again. Let's take a look at this red t-shirt. Alright, yeah, again, we got too much of the background removed. Then we got this extra floating head right here. And the font looks extra dirty. Let's take a look at the other colors. Yeah, there was something wrong in the background removal. And let's pick this asphalt gray. Yeah, looks like that the teeth were also removed. And parts of their shirt. Okay, what else we got? This one looks actually decent. Let's take a look. Healing through long sleeves. So I guess it's a nurse design. Yeah, it says nurse. And yeah, it actually looks usable. Now, what else we got? Yeah, as you can see, we got a lot of t-shirts that got dark fonts on a dark t-shirt. And yeah, take a look at this one. This one is awesome. Let's choose the baby blue one. Yeah, you can see it right here. It's a t-shirt on a t-shirt. So it's t-shirtception. Senior Cousin Excellence Standards. Okay. And you got the font colors of Cousin and Excellence in the t-shirt color, which is really nice. But I'm not really sure if everyone likes this t-shirt mockup on a t-shirt. Most people would prefer the t-shirt design on a t-shirt itself. Let's see the other ones. Yeah, let's take a look at this one. So as you can see, this one is in the Big Cousin Process Improvement niche. Perfect for anyone who likes creepy eyes. We also got this design in creepy red eyes and creepy dark red eyes. Now, what else we got? This blue one looks actually decent. What else we got? Yeah, let's see this one. So this one says Fighter Flame Burns Bright. It's a breast cancer design, but there's something wrong with the design. You can see this frame right here. Now, if you can see it on the mock-up, it will be printed like that. And I'm not really sure if everyone likes this type of frame on the t-shirt. Alright, then we got this St. Patrick's Day design. Let's take a look. Celtic whistle tune hums. Don't know what that means, but on the other hand, I'm not a big St. Patrick's Day expert. There's something wrong with her face and her arms. Yeah, let's pick the blue one. Now you can read the phrase, but she's blue now. I think that shouldn't be the case. Or we can just pick this one if you like The Simpsons. Well, now you're probably thinking, these t-shirts can't be from Amazon itself. Well, let me prove it to you. We're here on USPTO. This is the official United States Patent and Trademark Office. Then we go to Trademarks, search our trademark database, click that, and then we're just gonna enter Matemark. Press enter, and here we go, we got the trademark. It's live, it's registered. It is even in class 25. And let me make this a bit bigger. And it's owned by Amazon Technologies. So yeah, Matemark is actually an Amazon brand. So here are my thoughts. Right now, a lot of these designs have major flaws. Well, actually most of them. But some of these designs actually sold. Now if the quality stays like this, we don't have to worry about anything. And by quality, I mean research. That means niche, phrase, and the design style, but also the PNG quality itself. And that means is the background properly removed, and are there no major or minor flaws in the graphic and the font. So it could be that there's one employee from Amazon who's creating and uploading these kinds of designs. Or they could be even running an AI agent or something like that. Now what's your theory? Please let me know down in the comments. Now if you want to see the proper way of creating AI designs, then check out this video right here.